Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about Spotlight, how to use Spotlight or how to change preferences of Spotlight. So let's begin. Preferences on Mac. On your Mac, use Spotlight system preferences to change categories that appear in Spotlight search results and do exclude specific folder or disk from Spotlight search. To do this, to change system preferences, choose Apple menu, then system preferences. In previous videos we learned about Apple ID, file sharing, general, desktop and screensaver, dock menu bar, mission control, Siri, and today we learn about Spotlight. In this window, list of categories that Spotlight includes or exclude when it search. You can uncheck which category you don't want to use Spotlight search, including Siri suggestions and so on. For example, to exclude applications folder, the Spotlight result will not appear in applications folder, and I'm going to search application or app store. You can see app store is not appearing in Spotlight search. If I check this feature again and going to Spotlight again, here is app store is showing up. So you can exclude which category you don't want to use in Spotlight search. Next one is first one is add button. To exclude a location from Spotlight search, click the add button, then select folder or disk which folder you want to exclude from Spotlight search, or you can also drag folder or disk into this area. If you exclude a time machine backup disk, you continue to receive messages that Spotlight is indexing it. This indexing is necessary for time machine to function properly and can't be disabled. Spotlight does exclude from such items stored on the backup disk that are not part of a time machine backup. If you exclude certain files or folder, you may not be notified when update become available for some apps. Folder to exclude Spotlight search, and like this one, a Spotlight will not search in this folder until you include this folder from remove selected items from lists. So keyboard shortcuts, we will discuss later about keyboard shortcuts, which shortcut key you want to use Spotlight, or you can use your own key to open Spotlight. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.